Good evening, Philippines. Good evening, traders. Today is, what is today? Today is Tuesday. It is November 17th. And before I begin, here is the usual, oh no, here is the economic reports. There is an economic report that's being released. High impact is the core retail sales as well as the retail sales. That's coming up at 9:30. So that's basically now. Let me just update this thing there. It actually came out, and basically not that it's down. It's a down report, but not that bad. Before I begin, let's do this disclaimer. Any comments made during this live webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This live webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate the legacy strategy that I teach my students to trade. Any past performance of the legacy strategy is not indicative of future results. I must also emphasize that I am neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. I am a retail trader like everyone else. Once again, this live webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. So with that said, let me get that out of there, and let's look at the charts. In fact, this is more of the 15-minute chart, which is showing me more of what's going on in more of a zoomed out view. So we finally broke out this from this Fibonacci pullback zone, but now we're still, so far, since close to yesterday's high right there, we've been basically on the downtrend. So here's your overnight session right there. And basically you can see it's on the downtrend, right? So we might even hit this pullback zone once again. So we'll see what happens. So right now our overall trend is to the downside. Now let's look at more into a zoomed in view. So this is more the ETH. So there's our VWAP right here. And if I'm looking at this more into the RTH map or chart, that's what it looks like. It's still kind of forming right here, as you can see right here. So we'll leave that alone until maybe later. So this is what I'm looking at right now. So I already have my Fibonacci all laid out here. We're on the downside. This is the pullback zone right here. And we'll see what's going to happen. Here's the VWAP, right? Pulling back to the VWAP right now as we speak. And basically, I might have to take a position here. I'm trading 2 contracts. See if we can find a good, because this is probably setting up. Let me see if we can get a good position here. While this waits to be set up. Again, I trade mostly using our strategy and also the VWAP deviational levels. And let me wait on this for a minute here. In fact, so let me talk about what's going on here. I'll be trading 2 contracts. I traded the overnight session, really not that much movement. I'm in profit of maybe 300. 300. Let's see here if I can find it here. There it is, 387.50. I'm just waiting for, I'm really working for timing right now. Just want to see where this is going. And usually I usually don't trade this opening, but there is a setup that's, we'll see if it's going to apply to this at all. Just want to confirm where they're trying to take it. So 2 contracts making, hopefully making another 200 of between $400 before all is said and done within 1 hour. Yesterday I traded during the morning session. I incurred a $325 loss. but I traded the afternoon session and made it all back and then some. I ended up making, I think, 1,500 for the day. So it was, which not, it's not that bad. So yeah, they're kind of now bringing this down, and as you can see, and I just had to confirm what they're trying to do. Like I said, we have an overall downtrend. Since we're close to the low of the day right now, I'm going to try to test that again. So again, I'm expecting them to test this VWAP as well as the pullback zone here. So we're looking for some timing. So anyways, let's look at the 5-minute chart there for what we see there as well. Also have a 5-minute chart here as well. Let me see if I can find it. Here's the 5-minute chart. And also, it's also confirming our downtrend. So we'll be testing the VWAP, which is right there, this red, right? Right now it's down here. Going to try to test this low of the day. It may continue going down. We'll see. I might even have a better setup here as well. Let me do a chart trader on this one as well. There. We'll do 2 contracts. I don't know this one. Let's try see. Yep, it's the one. Did I confirm that? Yeah, this basically I had better of an opportunity on this other chart. So it's going to test this low again, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on mute and see what's going on. Again, we're now testing the -2 deviation here. Just want to make sure I get a good entry here. So let's go back to the more of this.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
So now this never reached all the way down to the extension here, which is basically a -2 deviation. It may try to test that again. So we'll see where my entry would be here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Just want to get that.
Target filled.
So if I stayed in this trade right here, that would have been a hit right there. I would have gotten that, and that would have been at least bigger. But I didn't want, I don't want to give back what I had. So basically, that's why. But that's okay. We made it up. So that would have been at least from here all the way down to, let's say, right here. That's around 9 points, which would be a good payday. But like I said, I'm just taking what the money the market is giving me. I wanted to conserve here. I didn't want to give it all the way back. We'll see if it's going to hit this goal down here at least. Again, this is basically the VWAP strategy, but which is part more advanced strategy based on the legacy strategy that we teach. And again, what's important about the VWAP? Institutional traders of the stock market, they use the VWAP. So we already made 400. Let's see if we can add to that. Or should I say, how much did we so far make in this? So this is, yeah, this is the morning session. Right, so. And I don't want to give back what I've already made, so let me put a, just to be conservative.
Stop filled.
There we are. So let's see what's going to continue. No, hopefully, since we already created another, we've already created another low of the day. Let's see if this is going to continue going down.
Order submitted.
Looks like it might.
Order filled. Target filled. Stop filled.
Could have made it down here. That's fine. I'm not being greedy. I'm just playing basically playing by the rules. So that's fine. That should be it for me for tonight. Basically, I've made 737.50 just for this morning. So if you add to the earlier session, I am up 1,125. Jam bad. So again, if you look at this, started at 9:39, not even 30 minutes, made 737. I'm trading 2 contracts, so being very conservative. So with that said, again, this is what we call the VWAP strategy that I teach. Also, it's more advanced strategy, and it's part of the legacy strategy that the basic or the foundation is the base legacy setup or legacy strategy that I teach my students. So with that said, enjoy the rest of the evening, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow, okay? Take care, stay safe, and God bless. Bye-bye.